Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy, ETCG1 on this channel. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. Please enjoy this electronic cake. Tuners versus ricers. That's something that's come up. And first of all, is ricer racist to say that? I don't know. I mean, maybe that's the first question we should start off with. But that is the term that is used, and if it is offensive to some of you, I'm just using it because it's part of the vernacular and I want to, well, convey a point or ask a question to you, the audience. And also give some of my own opinions on this tuners versus ricer thing. Not too long ago, I posted a video about the Fast and the Furious effect. And a lot of you responded with your experiences saying that, yes, indeed, there was an effect and it wasn't necessarily good. In fact, a lot of you brought up sort of what I brought up in the video myself, was that some people took these cheap cars and basically just trashed them and made them so much worse in our eyes. I mean, in their eyes, a 6-foot spoiler on the back of a Civic is cool, whereas in the eyes of others, maybe not so much. But underlighting and a cold air intake does not make you fast. It could make you furious trying to go fast, though. The point is where do we draw that line? Where do we have that distinction? Because I'm sure that people who are quote-unquote tuners might have started out as ricers and might have, through experience, learned how to, you know, to do it right, to not screw it up. Some people maybe just stay on that path. But I don't think it's just tuners versus ricers. I think that there's always been camps of people that maybe their eyes are bigger than their mechanical abilities is the best analogy that I can come up with. And they have grandiose ideas and, you know, they spend some time on eBay and bolt some things on and hope for the best. And well, let's face it, there's an entire industry based on it. In fact, there's this convention I go to every year called SEMA that's all about this very kind of thing. And the entire economy of that wouldn't exist without those people that are wanting to make those modifications. So I try not to judge, other than, you know, when it comes into my bay and it's all jacked up and I have to somehow fix this piece of garbage. That's when I'm not so happy about it. But I'm more of a live and let live kind of person, and I didn't always start out doing the greatest of things. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that I make mistakes, and I'm not afraid to share them with you because, in my opinion, we all make mistakes. And if you haven't made a mistake, well, you haven't done anything. That's how I see it. That being said, what defines the ricer as compared to the tuner? I mean, the tuner obviously is somebody who quote-unquote knows what they're doing. They can sit down with a laptop and look at the air-fuel ratios and the timing values and all these kinds of things and orchestrate them in such a way, using the correct equipment to get the most power possible out of that particular package, whether it be engine transmission combination or whatever. Or even people that are out there tuning suspension systems. You know, there's all kinds of things that you can tune. And when you say tuner, I'm like, there's a whole lot there. I mean, is it builder? Is it tuner? I'm a little confused on that point, but what I'm not confused about is the tuner is normally associated with somebody who knows what they're doing, and the ricer is normally associated with somebody who does not, that is more of a wannabe. And I think that's the distinction. And I think that was interesting how that came up in that Fast and Furious video, or the Fast and Furious effect video, and that a lot of people were talking about people ricing out their vehicles, putting fart cans. Fart cans, that is like a trigger word for a lot of people because they really don't like loud mufflers on cheap, slow cars. But at the same time, it makes it more exciting to drive, or else they wouldn't be pumping exhaust noises into cars like that Mini back there, which yes, they do. They take the noise of the engine, they run it into the cabin to make it more exciting. That's one way of doing it, you know, and it doesn't bother other people. Ricers versus tuners. Can you help me put a finer point on this definition of what the difference is? I say somebody who knows what they're doing as opposed to somebody who does not know what they're doing, and that's the labels that we give them. But they're not giving those labels to themselves. Somebody who's a ricer might be calling themselves a tuner, and, you know, what do you think? That's what the comments are for. I appreciate when you leave them, along with liking and subscribing. I really appreciate those things too. I'll post links in the description to additional videos and stuff that I might have mentioned in the video, so hey, just check the description. There might be something cool there for you to see. Other than that, be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. I will.